Did you know that within the first 3 years, 87% of new agents quit the real estate profession? Don't let this be you. The business is a lot harder and takes much more skill than most people think, but you can survive and thrive in any market if you know the tricks of the trade. Hi, I'm Michael Soon Lee, and I've been in the real estate industry for 46 years, and I'm still a top 5% earning agent in the country. In my class, New Agent Survival Secrets, I'll show you what new agents absolutely must do to be successful in one of the most difficult jobs in the world. You'll find out how I get paid more to list a home than 95% of all other agents, how I'm guaranteed to get paid by my buyers, and why I spend almost nothing on marketing but have more clients than I can handle. Join me live for New Agent Survival Secrets.